Shares of the social media giant Facebook rose up to 10% after the company reported first quarter earnings that beat revenue expectations, despite an initial slowdown in advertising sales during the coronavirus. The revenue mainly came from the advertising, which was $17.4 billion. Facebook reported revenue of $17.7 billion, up nearly 18% from the last year, which beat Wall Street expectations of $17.4 billion. The company disclosed earnings per share of $1.71, slightly lower than the expected $1.75. Facebook recorded 2.99 billion monthly users across its various apps, including its main app Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp, which was up from 2.89 billion in the previous quarter.